my name is Tarık, and this is Cem. We are the co-founder of mobile application Educain. So Educain is a question and answer based mobile application designed for students and teachers. We have two versions of it. Our first version is B2B. In 5 months, we had more than 6,000 paid users, 20 institutes, and more than 70,000 qualified solutions by experts. Our second version is B2C. We just released our B2C version 20 days ago, and in 20 days we had more than 30,000 users. And today in Educain, more than 6,000 answers are being uploaded to our server today. But the market in Turkey is quite large. There were more than 15 million students last year. And for our business model in B2B, we charge institutes by their student number. Our B2C model is completely free, and we will use in-app purchases and advertising for our income. So why people use it? Lots of teachers today using their mobile phones and WhatsApp to answer their students' questions. And students in Turkey are having lots of exams every year, and a successful student needs to solve more than 100 questions every day. So how it works? It's very easy to use. A student asks a question using a photo or a text. Another user answers the question using the same way. So all the other users in the system can see the question and the answer. We are a dedicated team, and this is our team. We are able to solve all our needs in-house, and we are looking for $100,000 to increase our user acquisition. Thank you.
So just what's two questions? What languages do you support?
We just support Turkish at the moment.
Sorry, Turkish?
Yes.
Okay. And how easy is it for you to introduce new languages into this?
Actually, it's easy. We just need to learn about the education system in the other countries, topics, etc.
And are you a single founder as a startup, or do you have co-founders with you?
We are 4 of us, actually.
4 co-founders?
Yes.
So who's the B2B? We said you are B2B or you go to B2C. You're doing education for what? Training for corporate or what?
Can you repeat it, please? Why we moved from B2B to B2C?
Yeah.
Who are your B2B customers?
Who did you start with in B2B, and why did you want to pivot
We
to
started
B2C?
in a local area.
What kind of business?
In Eskişehir. And because of the competition between the schools, they heard it from each other and they wanted to use it too. But we moved to B2C after, because there were individual students who wants to use the application. So we start developing B2C version.
So is this content? Are you developing the education content also? Are you have the material for the learning?
Yeah, we have consulted teachers for that.
You're matching teachers with students, right?
Yep.
So there's no content.
I didn't really understand, actually.
I'm still confused about the B2B and the B2C because I don't understand who you were selling it to.
B2B is a private system, and it's for institutes. We give institutes the control panel.
And why don't you continue to build on that?
Sorry?
Why don't you stay on one focus?
It was because of the feedback we get. As I said, there were individual students who want to use the program too, but we can't just put them in a school because it's a private system. B2B is a private system, so we want to develop B2C version too.
The 5,000 registered paying students are paying $5 a month?
Yes.
So you're doing $25,000 a month right now?
No, it's annually price.
So the $5 is per year?
Yes.
Okay.
Is there, like, going back to is there any specific curriculum you cover? Like, is it the language, is it history, or any question?
Any.
And
We have high school
generated-
students, middle grade
Right.
students, and also graduated students too.
But just want to say, you're not developing content. The content is coming from the channel, and then you're disseminating it to the students.
Yes,
So
and
someone will ask a question, the teacher answers it, and then everybody knows what the answer is.
yep, that's how it works. We had video lectures in the system.
So it's like Udemy, or is it different?
It's not really.
Does the content stay and you can resell it?
No.
Sorry.
Do you resell the content? Is it when
No, we don't resolve.
knowledge comes in, someone asks question and learns something?
If someone asks a question, there's a question.
It happens
feed, and-
once
Yes, it happens once.
and then it dies.
Yep.
So you're like a chat room for education.
Students can filter the questions they want to see: physics, history, math.
Very quickly, just one that. So 5,000 answers per day since when? So how many months have you been operating?
For BTC version,
You said 5,000 answers have been given per day,
yep.
and for how many months?
For months, we released BTC version only 20 days ago.
So you
And
had
it's
100
happening today, actually.
Okay, great. So you had 100,000 answers so far.
Yep.
Nice. Good job.